How to sign up to Notion account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily sign up to your Notion account. So let's get started. First thing first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Notion sign up, just like this. And once you search in for that, just click on the first link which appears, which is the official website of Notion sign up itself. And once inside you can basically enter your email address which you use to register on any other account, or you can just log in or create an account with your Google account, Apple account, Microsoft account, as well as passkey as well. So I'll for now simply click on Google account, or I'll simply enter my email address over here. So let me just quickly enter my email address. So once you enter your email address, just click on continue. So I'll simply copy this verification code from over here to my Notion account over here and simply paste it, and you shall see this screen after you click on continue. So I'll simply provide my full name over here. So just enter your name and just enter your password just like this. So once you're satisfied, simply click on continue just like this. And you can either save or not save your based on your choice. And it'll ask you some questions. So simply click on continue just like this and choose on any one of these options over here just like this, and simply get started with your Notion account just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.